give me a smile, then I will teach you new things. Okay? Smile. Okay, join your hands. Please stay like this. Everyone join your hands. Close your eyes. You, Nishwat, join your hands. Show me, join your hands. Yes, yes, very good. Close your eyes. Yes, very good. You are with me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I faced with all my might. I shall achieve you my potential inside. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. And relax. Okay. Everyone stand up for the warm. Everyone stand up for the warm up. I will play the song. Left side. Right side. Up. Down. Down. Roll. Left side. Right side. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Roll your hand. Roll, roll, roll. Down, 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 down. Fast, fast, fast. Fast, fast, fast. Roll, roll. Stop. Relax. Okay, now we have to do attendance time. Okay, I will ask the name. What you have to say? Here I am.
Here I am.
What you have to say?
Yeah.
Here I am. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, who's this? Satvik.
Here I am.
Here I am. Very good. Nishwat. 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 I asked Nishwat.
Hi. Here I am.
Hi.
Here I am, no? Jasna.
Here I am.
Jasna.
சொல்லு மேம் Here I am. Here I am சொல்லு. சொல்லு மேம்
Harshit.
Harshit.
P. Nishwan. Very good. Very good, everyone. One day I taught you numbers rhymes. Everyone remember or not? Tell me. Yes? What is that? What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I taught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. I taught you? Everyone remember? Or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I taught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go away. Okay. Now we have to do finger counting. You have to count with your fingers. Okay. Everyone do with me. Okay. First you listen to me. First you see me. Then you have to do. Okay. Okay. Numbers counting. 1, 2. Leave your one finger. Everyone leave your one finger. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers you have? 10 fingers. How many fingers? 10 fingers. What you have to do when I ask you one finger, then what you have to do? You have to leave your one finger. Just do like this. Close your all fingers. Close your all fingers. Everyone do. Close your all fingers and do one. Leave one finger. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Now what you have to do? Tell me. I will ask. You have to close your finger like this. You have to close your finger. When I say one, you have to leave your one finger. Okay? Do. Everyone close your finger and show me. Everyone close your finger and show me. Yeah, show me. Close your finger and show me. 1. Yes. Nishant, you also has to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many finger I open? 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I thought is alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I let it go again. Go away. Okay. Now, T. Nishant has to tell me how many fingers you have. Just close your all fingers and leave one fingers and count it. 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to count. First 5 finger you have to count.
1, 2, 3. 1. Yeah, you have to count like this. 1, 2, 3. Check.
Wow, very good. Now we will do Satvik has to do.
పెద్దగా చెప్పు మిస్కి 1 2
Yes.
3 నీ తర్వాత చెప్పు 4
Only 5. Now Vishnu has to do after 6. You have to count with 6. Yes, Jasmine, you have to leave one finger. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Give me a high five. Everyone give me a high five with the 10 fingers. High five. With the 10 fingers. High five. High five. And just clap the finger with the 10. Clap. Very good. We can clap with the 5 fingers. Yes or no? We can clap with the 5 fingers. No, na? We have to join our 10 fingers. Clap. Yes. Very good. So, today I will teach you a story. Do you know the story name? What is the story purpose today? Why I will teach you? About the cleanliness and hygienic. Okay? Who will wash your hands daily, frequently, after eating, after playing? Everyone washing your hands? Yes or no? Did you wash your hands after eating, after playing? Yes. How many times wash your hands? Yes.
How many times?
How many times? Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. The story is for hygienic. Everyone able to see my screen?
Very long look at all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. See, we have to clean ourselves daily. Okay? I will tell you one boy is there. One boy is there, he never clean herself. You know what is the name of that boy? Rians. One boy is there, he's a good boy, but he never clean herself. Now he become a lazy he doesn't wash her hand, he doesn't take a bath, he doesn't change her dress while playing, while eating. He's a very good bad manners. Am I right?
Yes.
It is a good manner.
அந்த மாதிரி கைலாம் அலம்பலலாம் அவங்கள பேட் மேனர்.
Yeah. So I will show to you that boy what he is doing. You don't have to do that things, okay? Okay? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes. I will teach you a story. That name is Rians Learn to Be Clean. I will meet. Rians want to meet you, everyone. Okay?
Okay.
What is the story name is? Rian learns to be clean. Learns to be clean.
அந்த bookல வரும்.
See, this is Rians. Say hi everyone to Rians. Say hi. One day, Rian was playing in dirty mud. See, this is a mud. One day, Rian is playing in dirty mud all alone. He engaged in playing that with his nails and hair and body and clothes. All were filled with mud. All her clothes become very dirty with this mud. And all of he sneezed. Sudden he sneezed while playing. He sneezed. Okay. His hand were very dirty. See, her hands become very dirty while he is playing with with the mud. Then he sneezed. He didn't cover his mouth. See, he sneezed. So many germs are there. When he sneezed, see, so many germs are there. Did you see? Able to see? So he didn't cover his mouth while sneezing.
Yes.
See, he didn't cover his mouth while sneezing. His mouth while sneezing, and all the germs, see, all the germs were all over his body. Here, when he sneezes, when he sneezes, all germs become in his body and the clothes. Then he went home. After playing, he went home. Rian came home. He was very hungry. He was very hungry. So he went and had some chocolate without his washing his hand. He didn't wash her hand. He didn't change her clothes, and he had some chocolate without washing his hand. The all germs went inside the stomach. See, when Rian eats the chocolate, while he didn't wash her hands. See, while chocolate, all germs came to his stomach. See, germs are in the stomach. After he finished eating, he was feeling very sleepy. He didn't wash her hand. He didn't change her clothes when he played and came back to home. When he's eating, he didn't wash his hand. He didn't change his dress. And when he eat, he didn't wash. Okay, while eating also he didn't wash his hand. And he is feeling so sleepy. He want to sleep without his changing her dress and washing his hand. He went and slept. Okay, and he did brush and he didn't change the clothes. Next day morning, he wake up and started crying. Then Mama asked, Mama, he cried and say, Mama, she's crying, Mama, run and came to her Rian room and says, what happened, Rian? Rian said, my stomach is paining. My stomach is badly paining, Mama. What to do? Mama narrated him to the doctor. See, my stomach is paining. He's crying a lot. And Mama ran to the hospital. And doctor, look at the Rians. See, doctor was there. And Mama take Rian to the doctor, and doctor look at the Rians, and doctor shows Rian's germs under magnify. See, the magnify is there. Did you able to see? See, the germs are there in her Rian's stomach. Doctor shows germs to the Rian with a scanning glass. Did you able to see? Yeah, there was so many germs in Rian's stomach. While sick, he became sick because for germ. So you have to clean yourself, doctor says, while eating, while playing. When you have to play, when you have to eat, you have to clean yourself, Riyan. If you don't clean yourself, you become sick. You have to daily take your bath. You have to brush your teeth. You have to do all these clean things. Then you become very healthy. Then you have to be clean and healthy. Now you go to home and take a bath, first hand wash, cut your nails, doctor said to Rians. When Rians came to house, immediately he washed his hand, he take a bath, he cut his nail, and he combed his hair and he brushed his teeth. And he became a very good boy. He became very clean. He became very tidy. Okay. Next day, when he take bath, when he did brush, when he did comb, when he washed his hand, then he went to school. When he saw her all classmates become, "Hi Rian, how are you today? You are looking so clean. You are looking very beautiful today." Then Rian is feeling so happy. All friends were very happy to see me and says hi because today I become very clean when I change my dress, when I comb my hair properly, when I brush my teeth. See, I'm looking very good. That's why my friend is very happy to see me. So you have to clean yourself. And then he talked with his all classmates and he played with all his friends. Okay, the Rians is very happy. See, what you have to do, what you learn on this story, you have to clean yourself every day. Okay, then you become a very good boy. Then your friends also become, with your friends together, you have to play with your friends together. Am I right? You have to clean yourself. You have to brush your teeth daily. You have to change your dress. You have to wash your hand frequently while eating, while playing. When you play, when you eat, you have to eat. After eating, you have to wash your hand. After eating, you have to wash your hand. After playing, you have to wash your hand. When you went to sleep, you have to brush your teeth and then you have to go to sleep. While next day morning also, when you wake up, you have to brush your teeth and then you comb your hair. Okay, this is a good habit you have to do. Okay.
I feel my finger.
Okay, while eating, we can wash our hand or no?
You will wash your hands?
Yes. Children, brush your teeth in the morning and the night. Children, brush your teeth in the morning and at night. You have a bath and comb your hair. Have a bath and comb your hair. You will have a pretty sight. You will have a pretty sight. Don't forget to wash your hand. See how you washing your hand like this now?
Wash your teeth.
Don't forget to wash your hand after food and play. After food and play. Don't forget wash your hand after food and play. Doing all this make you think. Doing all this make you clean and keep the germs away. Keep the germs away. Doing all this make you clean. Keep the germs away. Pump, rub, chew. How you do your hand? How you wash your hand? Pump. First pump. Then liquid will come to your hand. Then you have to rub your hand and wash your hand and chew. What do you have to say? Pump, rub, Choo. Nowadays you are using sanitizer, na? Then that also you have to pump, rub, choo. Doing all this make you think, keep the germs away. Did you like the story? Did you like the story? Yes or no?
Oh,
Oh, how many times did you brush? Tell me. How many times did you brush?
ఎన్నిసార్లు వేసుకున్నాను టైం చెప్పు 1 time.
Now you have to do 2 times. While after dinner, night dinner, then you have to take a brush. While going to brush, then you go to sleep. Okay? Okay?
ఓకే అండి ఓకే మ్యామ్ ఓకే మ్యామ్
Okay. Now it's concept time. Okay. Okay. What line is this? Tell me what line is this?
ఇలా ఉంటుంది వాట్ లైన్
What line?
ఇలా ఉంటుంది కదా వాట్ లైన్
What line is this? Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. What line is this? Standing line. What line is this?
ఇట్లా యూ
Upper you come. Yes. Very good. Today I will teach you the mountain pattern. Mountain pattern.
ఇలా
Open your workbook. Just a second. Open your workbook, everyone.
ఓపెన్ యువర్ వర్క్ బుక్ సరే కూర్చో ప్రాపర్ కూర్చో సరే కూర్చోవాలి
Everyone able to see my screen?
I scream on the car. Wow.
I will again. I have to. No. This is mountain curve.
Mountain curve. Mountain. And mountain curve.
Everyone open your open your notebook, everyone. This mountain pattern. Did you everyone able to see that mountain pattern? Standing line and sleeping line. Upper view, down view, and next.
This one. This mountain cut.
Everyone show me. Yeah, Nishwan, show to me. Yes, very good. Don't do the now, Satvi.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't do it now.
No, it's not. Yes. Miss, you can start, okay?
Okay. Sharing my screen. Something is problem.
Service is right.
Yeah. Take a crayons. Everyone take a crayons. Surveys. Yeah. Doing surveys. You join late. Okay. Just take your workbook. Everyone take your workbook. Triangle shape. Sorry, mountain shape. Open the mountain.
Mountain cut. Ada paintuma. Ada paintu. Ada paintu ama. Ada paintu ada.
Everyone find it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take a crayon. Take green crayons, blue crayons, what crayons you like. Start with the green line. Start with the green line. Come down. Again come up. And come down to the red dot. Start with the green line.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Two pictures.
Yes, ma'am. Start with the green line. Start with the green line. Come up. Come down. Again, start with the green line and end with the red dot. Draw with the green line. Sleeping line is here. Sleeping line. Yes. Only you have to do 3 row. Only we have to do 3 row. Another 3 row is a homework. Start with the green line. Come up. Come down. Then come up. And with the red dot.
Wait, 3 line மட்டும் வேணும். இந்தா.
Okay.
Start with the green line.
Green.
Service parents, can you please go in mute? My voice will be. Start with the green line. Come up, come down. Yes, show me. Yes, Nishwan, very good. And there was a sleeping line. You have to do the sleeping line also. Start with the green line and with the red dot.
It's
Only 3 line you have to do, kids. Only 3 line. Only 3 row. First, second, and third row. Another third row is a homework. I'm repeating once again. Only you have to do 3 line. Yes. Very good, Harshit. Another 3 row is a homework. Who finished it? Show me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you tell me which page I have to open this service for them?
Service. Yes, parents.
Which page I have to open this? Which you are saying that?
Another 3 row. Last 3 row, sir. Only 3 row is a classwork.
No, ma'am. Which book? Which number I am asking?
Workbook, sir.
There are two workbook is there. Na? Which one I have to take?
That standing line is there, na, sir. After that page. See, the parents is showing service parents. Yes, this one only, sir.
This one, na? Can you tell me the page number?
Triangle. See, it's triangle shape was there.
Triangle. Okay, okay.
Papa.
Did you go to
Papa,
This one?
Papa.
Yes, this one only, sir. First 3 row, he has to do it now. He has a homework. Very good. Another row. Do another row service. Sorry, Satvik, do another row. Thank you. Very good. Another row you have to do. What happened, Nishwan? Did you finish it? Yes, very good, P. Nishwar. Did you complete all the 3 row?
No.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Go with the green line, come up, come down, and with the red dot. Inside there was a sleeping line. You have to do that one also. Go with the red dot, green dot, and with the red dot. Green line, come up, come down, come up again, and with the red dot. There was a sleeping line. Go with the green line and with the red dot. Go with the green line, come up, and with the red dot. Go with the green line, come up, and with the red dot. Nishwan, did you finish it? Nishwan?
No.
Yeah, you have to do. Only 3 row. Only 3 row you have to do. Another 3 row is the homework. Yeah, to complete, show me. I will give a star to them. Yes, very good, Sharvesh. This is star for you. Satvik, did you finish Kanna?
Ma'am, Jashna's mom here, she's
Yeah.
not willing to do it in the worksheet, ma'am, but I gave her like this.
Why she is not doing?
I'm not sure. She doesn't want to do it in the book.
Okay, but make sure after the class she has to do it, ma'am.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. And after the class, everyone has to complete the workbook and send me the photo in our WhatsApp group. Okay. I have to check. Then I have to give you a star. Then how I give you a star then? Everyone wants star na. Then you have to complete your workbook. Then send me. Very good, Satvik. Your third row is complete. If not complete, complete it. Third row. You have to do only third row. Yeah. Very
Service
good,
is completed, is enough, na?
all he completed. I think
Yes, ma'am.
he's completed all. Okay, no issue.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah, P. Nishwat is doing own. By own, he is stressing all this thing. I saw. It was very good, P. Nishwat. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Keep it up. Give a star to you. See. Okay. What happened? Sorry. Nishwan, don't do full. Only you have to complete 3 row only. That's it. Don't go off 4 row. Don't go with the 4 row. Only we have to do 3 row. What happened, Jasna? If you're crying, I will tell you one more story. One story, na? You want to meet one more friend? Everyone want to meet one more friend? I will show you. See, 2 friend is coming to want to meet you, everyone. Complete yourself fast. Everyone finish it. Show me a thumb. If finish, show me a thumb.
The ma'am cut.
Don't go.
Ashay.
Yeah. Harshit completed 3 row. Yeah, very good, Harshit. Harshit is start for you.
Ma'am, start this.
Harshit, don't people, okay? You have to do very good way.
Thank you. Thank you, Chappu ma'am. Chat பண்ணாதடா.
Okay, everyone finish it. Show me, Nishwant. Nishwant, did you finish it? Show me thumb. If you finish it, show me thumb. After everyone, parents, yes, very good, Nishwant. After finishing this class, you have to complete this workbook and send it to me, the photos of this, okay? Okay, no issue. You have to do as a homework, Nishwant. Okay. Shall we go move in other way? Okay. You want to talk? Your new friends is coming to want to talk you. Okay, tell me everyone, what you like yourself first. What you like to yourself. I love myself. You have to love yourself. Okay, first you have to love yourself. Today we have to talk about we love ourselves first. Okay. See, I have a kid who want to meet you. Okay, shall I show you? Yes or no? Show me a thumb, everyone, and give me a big smile. Then I will when to meet her. Show me a smile. Yeah. See, that boy is coming. That name is Roy. See, hi Roy. See everyone, hi to say Roy. Hi Roy.
Hi.
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 See, one girl is coming. That his name is Ria.
Hi.
Say hi, Ria, everyone. Hi, Ria.
Hi. Hi.
See, these are your new friends.
Okay.
Ria, say hi to your friend. Hi, friends. Roy, say hi to your friends. Hi,
Hi.
friends. Hi, friends. Hi, friends. Hi,
Hi,
friends.
friends.
Nice to meet you all. Nice to meet you all. Ria is saying to you, nice to meet you all. Ria is saying to you, nice to meet you all, friends. Hi, all. Hi, how are you all? Everyone say to I'm fine, Ria. Say I'm fine, Ria. Now Roy is asking you, how are you all?
I'm fine.
I'm
Bye,
fine. Wow. Now Ria wants to tell you what he like herself, what he like to. Yeah, he has to tell Ria has to ask Roy what you have to like to yourself, and Roy also want to ask to Ria what you like to yourself. Okay, Ria. Hi, Roy. How are you? I am fine, Ria. How are you, Ria? I am fine, Roy. Today, Roy is asking Ria, today are you looking so cute? Yes, thank you, Roy. You are also looking so cute today. Thank you, Ria. Okay, Roy, do you know I like my hair too much? Do you know I like my hair too much? Ria is telling to Roy. What he is telling to Roy? I like my hair too much. Roy, oh, do you know what I like most myself? No, Roy, I don't know. I like myself hand. I like myself most is hand. In hand, why hand, Roy? Because of hand, I can write, I can play, I can eat, I can do all this thing with my hand, Ria. Oh, how nice, Roy. Do you know I like my hair most? Oh, Ria, how you like your hair most? Because I'm taking bath daily to my hair. I'm combing my hair. I like my hair most. You know, I can do a pony with my hair. I love my hair too much. Okay, Ria, shall we ask our friend how you like yourself most? Yes, we can ask our friends what you like yourself in your most. Shall we go to our Pinishman? Pinishman, what you like your friend like to yourself most? Tell me. Priya is asking to Nishwan. Priya,
Say hi
Nishwan,
to Ria.
what do you like yourself most?
Say hi, Ria. I like myself a lot. Everything about myself.
Oh, how nice, Nishwan. Very nice to talk to you. Do you know, I also like myself most. Give a high five to both of them. High five.
Okay.
Now Roy, it's your turn. Now you have to ask to Jasna. Hi, Jasna.
Hi,
Hi,
dear.
Jasna. How are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine, Jasna. Nice to meet you. Can you please tell me what you like most about
What
yourself?
do you like about you? Shall I love my
Ear.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Why you like your ear most? Did you know?
ஏன் உனக்கு காது பிடிக்கும்? Why you like ear?
Yes, because of ear you can hear everything. When I say hi, you have to listen with your ear. Very nice, Jasna. Give me a high five. We became a friend. High five. Now Ria will be asked to Satvik. Hi, Satvik. How are you? Hi. Can you please tell me what like most about yourself? I love my leg. I can walk with my leg. Can you please tell me what like about yourself?
I like my hands.
Oh wow, Satvik. You like your friends? I like also my friends. Give me high five. Okay. Now, Roy, do you know about my friends? My friends like my friend. One my friend like every body of the part. One friend like ear. Now we came with the Nishwan. Hi, Nishwan.
Actually, tell me.
Nishwan. How are you? How are you? How are you with Nishwan? I am fine. Nishwan, now you have to ask to Roy what you like yourself most. Oh, hair. Oh, Nishwant like a hair. Like you, Roy. Roy, you also like your hair, na? No, okay, you like your hand. Nishwant like a hair. Very good, Nishwant. Nice to talk to you, Nishwant. Now came to service. Service, what you like in your body? What? Service. Hi, Service. What you like yourself in your body? Okay. Okay, we came to Harshit. Harshit, hi Harshit. What do you like to do? What do you like yourself? First, everyone, I want to tell you, Harshit. Eyes. Oh, wow, very good. With eyes, you can see everything. Without eyes, we can't do anything. So first, everyone has to love yourself. Just like me, Priya also love herself. Roy also love herself. Everyone to love yourself first. Okay? Everyone like yourself first. Okay? What we do with our eyes, we have to see. What we do with our hands, we can write, we can say, we can eat. What we can do with our nose, we can smell everything. We smell bad thing, we can smell good thing. What we have to do with our ear, we can hear everything. We can hear all the sounds with the help of our ear. We can we have to love our mouth. We can talk to you. Hi friends. Now I have to say you bye bye. Now I'm going to back home. Bye bye friends. See you tomorrow.
See,
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Chepedu. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
friends. Would you like to meet your new friends?
Yes, sir.
You like meeting Dia?
Yes.
Everyone like to meet your new friends?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are happy to meet these two friends, Bria and Roy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What Bria says to you? What you have to love yourself? Why you have to love yourself? What Ria asks you? You have to love yourself. I love myself. You have
I
to
love myself. You love yourself? I love myself too.
First, you have to love yourself with your eyes, ears, mouth, hand, hair, body parts, everything yourself. You have to love your body. You have to love yourself. Okay? Okay? Did you enjoy today? Everyone enjoyed today? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Did you learn any new things today? Am I right? You meet a new friends. You learn about the hygienic. You learn about the cleanliness. You learn today the mountain pattern. Am I right? Yes. So many things today we learn. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now it's time to say bye bye. Now tomorrow in a plate give a rava. In a rava. Parents.
Bye bye.
Parents, please. Tomorrow in a tray of some rava. Rava was there, na?
Some rava, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what? I don't get.
Rava, you don't know, ma'am. Suji, what you have to
Oh.
tell. Any flour.
Okay.
Salt or anything.
Rava best?
Any flour you can give to the kids, sir. Before you gave, no? Like that.
Only floor only, no?
No, only one.
No, only floor. Something additional something you said. That's what I asked.
No, nothing. In one tray or one plate you have to give. That's it.
Okay.
Salt or what, anything you have. That's it.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Nice to meet you.
Bye, friends.
Stay safe at home. Bye. Bye, kids. Bye, Asna. Bye, Nishwant. Bye, Nishwant. Bye, Sarvesh. Bye, Satvik.
Hi, Suresh.
Bye.
Bye, let's do bye.
Bye. Bye, Sarvesh.
Bye.
Hi, Joyce.
Bye.